A new software update is rolling out for Samsung Galaxy S20 FE mobiles. This is a quarterly security patch update. Coming to the size, it's 290.50 MB. In the description, they mentioned that this mobile is updated to the July security patch after installing this update. Alright, I downloaded the update and now I'm going to install the update on this mobile phone. These Samsung S20 FE models were released so many years back and right now they are only supported for quarterly security patch updates, which means you won't get any major Android updates. The last major Android update on these models is Android 13 with One UI 5.1. This is the last year for this mobile phone to receive software updates. Sometimes mobile brands accidentally release smartphones that last for over a couple of years. In that list, this S20 FE will also join. Why? Because I'm still using this mobile even in 2025 in my workflow. Still, I get comments about this mobile phone. Previously, I used different mobiles, but this one has great hardware and software. If you observe these days, mobile brands are not at all releasing mobiles that are capable of running smoothly for a couple of years. Almost all mobiles run smoothly for 2 to 3 years. After that, they slow down. This makes users to buy a new mobile and that too from the same brand because they are used with those features. The update took a couple of minutes. Please do not press any buttons while updating this mobile. In the last month, I got one comment that the mobile phone was stuck at the bootloader. They're only seeing the logo whenever they turn on the mobile phone. This is all due to this only. So don't press any buttons during this update process. Not only this mobile, for any mobile phone. Alright, now I updated the mobile phone and coming to the changelog, it's nothing guys. After using it for more than 48 hours, I'm telling you this statement. The apps and the files, everything are intact. No data wipe or data cleared happened, and the main thing is there are no green line issues at all for this mobile phone. My device is working super fine. So of course I know this update was released so many days back due to some busy schedules, so I'm not able to post the video, but anyways, as promised, I'm posting this video even after some days of late. So like this video to reach out to more people. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.